The port of Vuosaari is the main port for foreign trade in Finland. In the Baltic Sea region, the size of freight vessels has increased in recent years. A joint project is therefore being carried out by the Finnish Transport Infrastructure Agency, Port of Helsinki Ltd, and the City of Helsinki to deepen the Vuosaari fairway and harbour basin in order to meet the requirements for shipping. The authorised draught fairway and harbour basin will be increased from 11 to 13 meters. This project will improve the competitiveness of the Port of Helsinki and enable the use of larger vessels. The deepening of the fairway will, in some cases, double the cargo capacity of the vessels that can be used. This results in significant transport cost savings and reduces the environmental impacts of vessel traffic. During the project, the work will be carried out in the fairway and the harbour basin. The dredging work will be carried out at several different locations. The dredged soil will be dumped in the marine disposal site. The blasted rock will be used for land reclamation work at the Helsinki Ltd extension and on the eastern shore of Hernesaari. During the construction work, the fairway and the port will be open as normal for vessel traffic. The work will begin in the harbour basin. After this, work will start on the dredging and excavation of the fairway. In order to increase the depth, the seabed needs to be reshaped by dredging and excavation. The areas where this work is needed are mainly located in the harbour basin and in the northern part of the fairway. The work is done using several different tools, including barges, tugs, and pontoons. The boat lanes intersect at several points with the Vuosaari fairway. When boating on the fairway, maintain a safety distance of 150 meters from the work vessels. Diving and swimming in the vicinity of work sites is prohibited. Before underwater blasting work is carried out, the contractor will sound a signal to ensure that there are no divers or swimmers in the water. Efforts will be made to minimize the negative effects of the project while it is being carried out, and the environmental impacts will be monitored by the authorities through the approved water and fisheries monitoring programs. During the project, 40,000 fry will be planted each year. In addition, we will compensate for the impacts of the project through compensation payments to real estate owners and commercial fishers. In addition to the Vuosaari project, the City of Helsinki is also carrying out dredging and land reclamation on the eastern shore of Hernesaari. The blasted rock obtained from Vuosaari will be utilized for the sea fillings needed in Hernesaari for the construction of a new residential area. The rock material will be transported by sea in barges, which will significantly reduce the cost and also environmental impact and traffic congestion resulting from transport. The total emissions of barge transport are half the emissions of transport by truck. We are implementing the project in accordance with the principles of sustainable development, taking both people and the environment into account.